and Abrahamo.
Hindi pa nga nakalaro.
And Imunos gets the ball. Here comes Barahan. Coutinho. Pass to Barahan again. Number teammates. Pass outside. 10 seconds to the shot clock. Here comes the teammates. 5 seconds. Coutinho pass outside. Angeles. And that is good. No good. Here comes the steal. Coutinho. Pass inside. And Abrahamo. This bucket from 10 seconds to the shot clock. Here comes Gabas in the ground. And the shot's good. Not the problem. And pass outside. Here comes Gabas. Lays up. And Victoriano pass out. Faith. Gabasan used it. And Coutinho. And Barhaman gets the money to steal. De Leon and Gabasan at the break. And he puts it in. Pass the middle. Angeles, one-hand shot. And Angeles for the finish. Angeles. Pass to Barangan. Open shot. And Barangan. Here comes De Leon. Gabasan, one-on-one. Good step. Wow, and wide open three. Too strong. And for the putback. Vigurama. Santos. Pass inside again. And Espando. Here I come, pass inside, here comes Inyo Pay, and Vito. Lost the three, short on the shot, offensive rebound, and the shot is blocked, and again, strong move, and the whistle go, jump ball, side, go Gali, wide open three, bang, to the run, the pass on the down the rain, and yes, he got it. At the break, Ugali, and Ugali, he puts it in. Steal, Santos. Santos lays up. And basket is good. Munoz, counter steal, Ugali, nice pass inside. And the finish is good. And Paco, Quino. Pass outside, and three. At the dropping, nice pass again. But shot is blocked. Gabasan, fake. Gabasan, baseline, floater, yes. Nice pass inside, Turingan gets the bucket. Down two at the corner. Very good. Again at the break. Gampasan once again. And tingin nyo attack. Pass inside. Shot is blocked. Nice defense talaga para sa Team Rizal. Talaga pinaganda nilang number 1. The Munoz. Gampasan fake at the traffic. Pass inside. Blocked by Turingan. Gampasan. 10 to shoot. Santos, wide open three. Bang! Coutinho. Coutinho attack. And that one goes. Santos. Left wide open. Bingo! Marines for two. In and out. And reverse. Again, Santos launch the three. Money. Then Leon all alone. And the layup is good. Abrahamo attack. Nice penetration. Gabasan to De Leon. De Leon, nice move. And Santos from way down. He's on the shot. And the shot no good. Turingan the run. Turingan pass inside. And Verena. And one basket. Coutinho. Extra pass. Here goes their teammates. And the shot is good. Pass inside. Coutinho. Coutinho to steal. At the break. Barangan lays up. And he puts it in. Santos with the ball. Extra pass to Verena. One pass to Coutinho. And one. There's unscored. Goal becomes a steal to Paco. At the break, Gabasan lays up. And we lose it. Barangan lays up. Rebound. Go for the putback. And the shot is good. Barangan. Here comes Turingan. And down the rain lays up. Leading out. And for the putback. 8 seconds. Pass to the corner, corner 2. And the shot is good. Ogani at the traffic. Rebounds, take a shot. Labasan. And Lino again. Inmenso outside. And again, 43. And the lead from the
Agaw pa.
Barangan at the break. And increasing. Santos. From Kalugaki. Yes, sir. 43. Iyo. Pass to Coringan. Coringan of Barangan. And Coringan. Rebounds the pasan. And the shot. And basket is good.
Inam talaga.
Ogani, Lisa, and Gordani. Pass break to Labasan, and Luisa Gordon. And again to the deep.
Meron!
Hindi ko nakita.
There's a unsportsmanlike foul for jersey number 23, Peralta. 3 minutes sitting on the bench.
Ano ba ginawa ko?
2 free throw for Team Rizal, plus 4 possession. And there's a
Technical. Technical eh.
again, there's a unsport for Peralta. And there's another call for the hopes of Rizal. Technical foul out of the playing court. Hopes of Rizal, juniors. Barangan attack the ring and shot is good. Barangan drive. Barangan floater. Santos attack, plays up, and that's her back. Barangan once again, nice pass inside, and back it goes. Comment. Once again, Santos was Pato, and it's Pato. That's the one. Dino attack. And Queen's House. And Santos to Labasan. Nice pass. And another bucket for Santos. Santos once again.
Go!
3 on 2. Santos to the layup. Yes, he got it. Yun yung Labasan. Labasan on the attack. Then yun, Papa. Abraham on the Coringan. Coringan layup and the field goes.
Barangan of Barangan. And Steele. Pass to Espada Luisa. The pass up drive. Williams Repango. And Durango. Dino pass to Coringan. And Coringan. And the traffic. Paupo nga po yung mga bench. Hindi po makakita sa committee. Maraming salamat po. Ngayon po ni Silvio Santos. Santos sa kapasisan. William Silvio Santos. Santos. Nag-isa po na po. Nag-isa. Meron po. Libunyos. Happiness in bonding, Bollywood and Singer, Williams Torbica, and Mason Hall.
Pinakamasaya talagang maglaban to.
This is number 8, Jilly Young.
Sweet chili mansi at saka kalamansi. Kontrapelo talaga. Ay!
Basketball. Good. And that's the end of the regulation. And the final score 73-72. Win by Zion City of Minos. Water $2. And just let's play of the game. He contribute 16 points, 1 assist, 15 rebounds, 3 threes, and 6 blocks. Mr. Double King, Aaron Turinga. Mr. Turinga, mga fans. Mr. Turinga. Mr. Aaron Turinga. Pwede mo mga fans?
Maraming salamat sa aking kaibigan para sa aking nanay ko. At sa kapaligan nito, meron ako sa tulong kay sa akin meron tulong. Pati ko rin ako mga family ko. Girlfriend ko, mga kaibigan ko, mga isa ko. Luis Waters, mga kaibigan, kay Lodwa, kayo. Sa National Security. Kay Boss Roger. Kay Coach Mo. At ang mga kaibigan sa akin. Tsaka Positive Generous.
And once again, best player of the game, Mr. Double King, Aaron Turinga. Aaron, brother. Aaron Turinga. At ang pailing na po ang ating